Oh my god, life as an international student at SNU is so hard.
Why? What's wrong?
I'm still trying to cope with life in a foreign country and everything is kind of new and I'm still figuring things out.
I totally understand what you're saying. I also felt like that when I first arrived in SNU, but things got better when I discovered the Diversity Council of SNU.
Oh really? What's the Diversity Council?
The Diversity Council is a presidential advisory body mandated with a campus policy making and consultative function. Their main objective is to conduct research and surveys to protect and promote diversity, besides publishing a yearly report on diversity states and achievements in the university.
Oh wow, that sounds great.
Yeah. Also, they're soliciting opinions on and encouraging communication about diversity within and beyond SNU, with the vision to promote protection and advancement of diversity.
Wow, that sounds really interesting.
Exactly. They really work hard to achieve a balance for diversity in aspects of excellence, equity, sustainability, openness, and inclusiveness.
What are the activities that they offer though?
There are a ton of activities to help promote diversity. In SNU, you can check it out on their Instagram.
Oh wow, can you show me?
Yeah, of course. Their Instagram is at SNU_diversity. If you click on the link in the bio, you can see all the activities under the Diversity Council.
Wow, they have a whole Instagram dedicated to reels and important information on campus, such as about shuttle buses and career development centers and such.
Yeah, aside from providing basic information, they also carry out a lot of events. You know, last semester they created a mini film festival where they introduced and showed different films on diversity issues such as gender and sexuality. I really learned a lot. Also, there are really a lot of meaningful projects. One of the projects is called SNU D-Map and it helps to show parking spots and buildings in SNU with no English signs and also parking spots only for people with a disability. Oh look, that's Indira!
Indira!
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Come Indira, sit here.
Oh, thank you. So, what are you guys were talking about?
We were talking about the activities and programs run by the Diversity Council.
Oh, really? Last time there was even a gourmet cooking program to promote diversity in food. I joined it and it was really fun.
Seriously? Oh my god, I love cooking. Can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Yeah, it's a cooking program both online and offline. They provide you with the ingredients and you can cook together with them through Zoom or in small group gatherings.
Oh, that's so cool. I'll make sure to keep an eye out for their activities from now on.
Yeah, and you know, you can even join them in conducting these projects if you want to. They have internship programs where you contribute to improve the diversity in SNU.
Really? How can I apply?
You can just follow their Instagram to keep track of their application schedules, or you can look it up on their website.
Their website?
Yeah, they have a website with all the detailed information and news about their programs. They even provide information and reports about research and surveys that they did about diversity in SNU. They also announce all the workshops and campus activities they promote. You can also make suggestions on how to improve the Diversity Council service.
Well, I'm looking at their website right now and it seems like a perfect place to seek help as an international student.
Well, but they do not work just with international students. They also care about gender and disability equality.
Oh really? It's great to know that we have such a dedicated service on campus. Now I'm really looking forward to participating in their programs. Oh wait, what's this event? Diversity Books and Film Recommendation Contest?
Oh yeah, I joined that too, and I saw someone recommending a film called Erin Brockovich. It's a really pop nowadays.
I haven't watched it though. Should we go and watch it now?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.